Hello everybody, this is Mike with Clock Family Adventures. Today's video is a room tour of cabin 9460, interior cabin on Utopia of the Seas. When you walk in, you get the bathroom on the right. I'll get to that in a little while. We have a little mini fridge here that our cabin steward got us. My wife has some refrigerated medicine, and the refrigerator in here is not considered a refrigerator, it's considered a cooler. So if you do have any refrigerated medicine, you will have to talk to your cabin steward. As you can see, there's a lot of outlets on the counter, 3 outlets, 2 USBs. Lots of storage here. Get your blow dryer in the drawer. And like I said, this is considered a cooler, not a refrigerator. It does get pretty cool though. Nice size TV. There's your couch. You have storage on both sides. Lots of hangers. Over here, you have cubby holes, as well as your safe. And then 2 more drawers down bottom. There is room underneath the bed to store your luggage, your suitcases. Each side of the bed, they finally got it right, and they put an outlet and a USB in each one of the nightstands. So I have a CPAP machine. I always need an outlet, and normally I have to run a cord all the way back there, and then I'm tripping over it at night if I got to go to the bathroom. But luckily there is an outlet and a USB on each nightstands. Now it's a mini USB, so those of you, so you know what to bring. Full-length mirror to check yourself out before you go out for dinner. I believe this cabin sleeps up to 4 with the couch right there. Here's your thermostat. Your bathroom's a pretty standard bathroom for a Oasis class ship. Corner shower. You do have the footstep right there to help you shave your legs. Couple shelves to put your stuff on, as well as shelves underneath the sink. The table here with the refrigerator on it will move, so if you want to set up your laptop, you can slide it right over the couch and work right off of there. I do recommend you get in a cabin with a couch. It's a lot more room to spread your stuff out and get ready. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing.